before heading to make any changes in BIOS, first we'll have to make sure if our hard disk partitioning style is GPT. Only then you'll have to make changes in BIOS, or else your system would not start. If you make any changes in BIOS having your hard disk partitioning style as MBR, then you will not be able to start your system. You'll have to again undo the changes in the BIOS. It's only when again your system will start. Okay, so first let's head to control panel, search control panel in the search and hit enter, and click on system and security. And now under administrative tools, click on create and format hard disk partitions. Click on that, and that should open up disk management. Now locate the hard disk on which you have installed the operating system, your Windows operating system. Right click on it and click on properties. Now click on volumes and locate partition style. So my partition style is GPT, so I can go ahead and make changes in BIOS. Okay, if your hard disk partition style is MBR, there are procedures out there. To convert MBR to GPT without losing data. Okay, you may search in YouTube or Google and follow the procedure so that you will be able to convert your MBR disk to GPT without losing any data. Okay, and only convert MBR to GPT if your system's motherboard is UEFI based. I repeat, only convert MBR to GPT if your system's motherboard is UEFI based. Only then you'll have to convert MBR to GPT, or else you'll not be able to start your system. Okay, now let's go ahead and make changes in BIOS. Hello folks, in this video I'm going to discuss about the BIOS settings that will make your computer eligible for free Windows 11 upgrade, or else Microsoft will not roll out your PC for free upgrade. Okay, now turn on your PC and keep pressing F10 key, F10 shortcut key to enter into the BIOS. So F10 key has taken me into the BIOS. Shortcut key to enter into the BIOS could be different in your case. It depends on your computer make, manufacturer and model. Now let's head to security settings and enable the TPM. Make sure TPM device availability mode is set to available and TPM state is set to enable. So mine is already set to available and it's already enabled, so I don't have to make any changes. Now let's head to system configuration and head to boot options and disable legacy support and enable the secure boot. That's it, and save the changes and exit. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like the video, please like and share. If you want more of such how-to videos, please do subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you wouldn't miss any of my future uploads. Thanks a lot. This is Naresh Namni. Bye bye.